Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. We are going to be unboxing the Glossybox for the month of August, and I'm so excited. I always love the way the Glossyboxes look. They're just so pretty. So before we get into the unboxing, I just want to go ahead and chat about Glossybox, just in case you guys aren't aware. So Glossybox is a monthly subscription box. It's going to have 5 products inside, and it's valued at over $75, which is really great. Honestly, it is essentially like the perfect little self-care treat. I always love these. And also something that I want to let you guys know is that I do have a discount code. It is Morgan. I'll have it right here and also in the description bar below. And if you use my code, you can get your first box for only $1 on a 12-month subscription. So I think that's really awesome. So be sure to use my code if you want to get a little dealio. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the unboxing because I can't wait to dive in. Okay, so the first thing you're always gonna get inside your boxes is just a little booklet here. This is basically just gonna tell you about all the products inside, what they're worth, what they're like. So I always find these really neat. I like to look at these afterwards just so I don't ruin the surprise. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and dive right in with the first product right here. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this, you guys. This is the Cetaphil Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. I'm so excited about this. I freaking love Cetaphil. I have their face cleanser and I love that. I use it all the time. Honestly, it is my absolute favorite face cleanser, so I'm super excited to try this. I've never tried any of their lotions before, so this should be interesting. So it says weightless 48-hour hydration that intensely replenishes and improves the overall quality of sensitive skin. This sounds like it's going to be really great. It's also dermatologist tested, so I love that. It also, you guys, has hyaluronic acid in it, so that's always a good thing. And it says it has a gentle scent, so let's see. Oh yeah, that's really light. That's actually really nice. I like that a lot. It almost kind of reminds me of like a lighter Nivea scent. I cannot wait to use this, you guys. I am a big lotion gal, so I'm probably going to be using this every single day. This is the first thing inside the box, and I'm already over the moon. So next we have this right here. This is the KAB Lip Oil. Ooh, I love a good lip oil. And this is in the shade or the scent Juicy Melon, so that sounds like it's gonna be really good. Oh, this is so cool, you guys. Look at that. So it's like a sheer, kind of like purpley color, but I definitely don't think it shows up purple on the lips. I think it's just like a clear gloss with maybe like a tiny bit of a tint. Okay, I'm dying to sniff this and see what it smells like. Ooh. I was expecting it to smell like melon, but it really smells like coconut. It smells really good. I guess the Juicy Melon is just like the shade name. Oh my goodness, that smells so good, you guys. I get a little bit of a hint of vanilla as well. I am honestly super excited about this. I love any kind of like lip gloss or lip oil, so I know I'm definitely gonna be using this all the time. And this is a pretty big tube as well. Let's see if it says how big it is anywhere. I'm not sure. Let me see here. So I'm not seeing a size anywhere, but like I said, this is a pretty big tube. Most lip glosses or lip oils are like pretty small compared to this, so I think this is also going to last a really long time as well. Okay, next we have something from Glow Recipe. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand, but I'm constantly hearing about them, and apparently they're a really good brand. So this is their Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It is makeup erasing and deep cleansing. Let's go ahead and take it out of this packaging. Oh my goodness, I feel like I can smell it outside the bottle. Maybe not. maybe that's a lip oil, I'm not sure, but something smells really good. So this is what the actual product looks like right there. Even though this is a sample size, you do get quite a bit in there. It's 30 milliliters, so that's pretty big for a sample size. So apparently you can actually use this 3 different ways. So you can use it as a cleanser, as a makeup remover, and actually as a mask as well. So it says to use as a cleanser, dispense 1 pump into wet palms and gently massage onto skin, rinse thoroughly. To use as a makeup remover, create a lather into wet palms and gently massage into face and neck for a full minute to eliminate all traces of makeup, rinse thoroughly. And lastly, to use as a mask, apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin. After 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly with water. So that's actually pretty neat. I did not realize you could actually use this as a mask. I'm probably gonna give that a go later, honestly. I'm assuming this is gonna smell like blueberries. Let's see. Oh wow, that's actually a really nice scent. It almost reminds me of a perfume. It smells so good, you guys. It definitely gives me like blueberry. I'm getting like a lot of fruity notes. It smells phenomenal. I cannot wait to use this as a mask later. I'm gonna be like in blueberry heaven. So even though it does have quite a bit of fragrance to it, it is free of parabens, mineral oils, sulfates, silicone, alcohol, and synthetic dyes. It's also vegan and cruelty free, so we love that. All right, next we have something by the brand Hask. This is their Keratin Protein Smoothing Deep Conditioner. Ooh, I'm excited about this, you guys. Anything hair related I always like because my hair is a mess all the time, literally always. So anything that can potentially help my hair out, I love. I will use it. I also don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand before, but again, I've heard a lot about it. It's apparently really good. No sulfates in it, no parabens. It says softens and prevents breakage and weak damaged hair. I definitely need that. So it says on the back here, this deep conditioner is an ultra restorative smoothing treatment that leaves all hair types feeling moisturized, looking shiny and frizz free. Keratin helps to repair damage, reduce breakage and static. Perfect for overprocessed and color treated hair. Definitely mine. And then it says directions, massage into clean wet hair and focus on damaged areas, which is my entire head. Leave on for up to 10 minutes and rinse well. So you do get 50 grams of product in here, and it does say that each packet contains about 2 to 3 uses. So that's pretty neat. I like that. I like how it's not just like a one-time thing and you're done, because I feel like majority of the time, especially with like hair products, if you're just using like a one-time thing, you can't really tell if it's doing anything or if you like it. So I like how this is like 2 to 3 uses. So maybe I can see if it's actually doing something, or if I like it, or if I want to, you know, go actually purchase it. Okay, this is the next thing right here. This is from the brand Elemis. I always love receiving stuff from Elemis because they are so freaking pricey. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. So it says on the back here, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, improve skin firmness and hydration. Apply every morning to cleanse dry skin. So I believe that this is their deluxe mini size. It is 0.5 fluid ounces. As much as I love Elemis, I'm actually going to be giving this to somebody who's actually probably watching this video right now. I'm very excited about this because she loves this product. So that is honestly one of the best things about getting boxes like this. If there's something you don't know if you're going to use, or you just don't really like, or maybe it doesn't work with your skin type or hair type, you can always give it away, and I think that's just really awesome. All right, and the last product inside my August Glossy box is this right here. So this is the Invisibobble, the Elegant Hair Ring Slim. So these are little hair elastics, and they're supposed to be really, really good for your hair apparently. So you do get 3 in the pack. These are actually really cute. They're almost like a white and gray marble. I actually really like these a lot, and they feel like pretty good quality as well. I know myself, sometimes it may not look like it, but I do have pretty thick, coarse hair. So a lot of the time, you guys, my hair actually ends up breaking the hair elastic. So I think these are actually going to work pretty good. So just a little bit more information about these. It says delicate look, high wear and comfort, hair loving, strong grip, non-soaking, updo tool, and stylish bracelet as well. So let me just go ahead and rock my new bracelet, you guys. Hello. All right, so that was everything inside the August Glossy box. I am honestly very, very impressed. I absolutely love everything inside this box. I really like the variety and like the selection inside this box. It's not like it's just skincare or just makeup or just like hair stuff. I appreciate a little bit of everything, so I do like that a lot. Like I said, I do have a discount code. It is Morgan. You can go ahead and get your first box for $1 on a 12-month subscription. I definitely recommend Glossybox. I always really enjoy these, and I think you guys would as well. But anyways, that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe, because I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. Both will be down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.